Can they make it? You did say garden lights.
I did say garden lights.
Yeah.
I was going, oh well, you must be right. You volunteered to put it out, Mr. Mannery. Right, hold it there a minute, Rog, I'll have a measure. That's good in there like a stocking on a chicken's leg. That's seismic, that is.
Feel free to pop down to one of the weekly stores or visit
Which way? That way,
The two top windows are going in. Well, one's already in, and we're just preparing to put the other one in.
As long as it fits. Oh yeah, fine. Back out again? We just got this, it's come all the way from America.
Really?
This Anderson door, all the way from America, turned up on time, seems to be the right colour and the right size, so all we've got to do is put it together. It's a little bit like flat pack furniture.
It's like an MI5 flat pack.
Yeah, it's MI5, that's a secret by the way.
Yeah.
Anything that delays the moment of starting work.
Time to make a cup of tea.
Yeah,
Certainly is, yeah. I've got some more of them throwaway cups in here.
Oh, excellent.
Alright.
Whack that first screw. In there?
Yeah.
Well, on the shape just on the head for you. A little bit embarrassing otherwise. 35 years and I finally got the hang of silicone. I'm trying to sneak a piss, it turns out to be the longest in the world.
White interior screws.
Right.
Oh, more silicone than all.
This is all for timber frame.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, yeah. Plenty there.
So the head installation flange has got to sit with the...
Score and snap along leg of head.
All I want to do, Steve, I just want to make sure that I'm right in my mind.
Any comments, Steve?
Don't know.
219. Right there. Yeah.
What are you thinking? Whether it should sit up on the next lid?
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely.
And they're not impressed?
What's that?
The
Sealing the guard.
sealant's all.
Bloody lumps and bubbles and everything in it. Horrible, it is.
It's a lumpy old job.
Huh?
What is it?
The silicone in the glass.
Piece of glass looks like I put it in.
You see the little bumps?
Knobbly bobbly. I don't know whether you can get rid of those
Little
knobbles.
bubbles, little nubbles there. Look at the corner, they've just sort of wiped it with
Just
their...
wiped it out with a finger.
Plus large, I go.
Yeah, there
So,
you go. Yeah, but
that won't save me
plus, that
anything.
gives you the JPEG.
Top. I've got a mega gap here.
Dylan, the photographer, is taking time out from editing to do some working shots. Oh, right over the shoulder. He's going to be running out.
Alright. Now you look like a
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? You have to bleep all these swear words out.
You see us? Some of the crappy ones.
Instead of spokesman.
No, you can see we've got loads of crappy ones, don't we? Paul, Minnesota. Be there, mate.
Being late, they did not miss their turning on the small country lanes. The kids did not start an argument over nothing.
We admire a man who fixes mistakes.
Let
me pocket.
What's wrong with that? 4 points above is 4 points above.
Yeah. Steve just putting the finishing touches to the back doors, and there we are. So how do you think things are going, Roger?
Well, it would be alright if we didn't keep losing everything. We'd have a clear up.
You cut them like, oh, you cut your bit off.
Clear of the depths.
There they are.
Man, everyone stop looking. These are the snips. Look, here we are. Handing the snips to Steve. About there. Where your thumb is, mate.
You don't have his thumb off.
He's got two. He's got two. 1.5 times.
Done it.
Even if it does get through, it's going to hit that polystyrene, isn't it? Have another sheet, please.
Oh, schoolboy error there.
Oh yeah, got to lose a few cuts.
I'll show you how to order the focus points if I haven't shown you already. I had high hopes of you. I was training you up, Jono. Tell me when you're going to shoot because I'll stop. Cut it in the middle. Sorry mate, is it disturbing your sleep?
Were you sleep in your truck, Robin? Oh, is it a Chevy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's quite a high literage from the day, isn't it? Yeah, it does look like
About 8 inches a gallon.
That's what we call an interference fit. Done a good job there, mate.
it's a bit wide.
Foreground, you can see Jono. Well, there's Roger's feet. No, I left it on the top and said to Dylan, if you
Yeah, I'll check that.
yes, if you get a chance, take some more pictures today.
On. Looks here. No, because the other one goes up faster.
Oh, right, see, cool.
Or will.
Wedges, anyone?
Are they sandwiches?
He made a bit of play on the words.
Yeah.
Made it to sandwiches.
Sandwiches?
That is what Shakespeare used to call punning.
Well, here we are, the 31st of May. 31st of May, morning Roger, and
Is it 1st of June today?
no, 31st of May.
Is it? Still? I'd say it doesn't matter what you do in a room, it doesn't matter how nice, extension, you spend a lot of money, you do a lot of work, the thing never looks anything until the floor goes down. The floor
Yeah.
falls. Can you do us a favour? Can you issue us with another roll of gaffer? We have to use the other.
Yeah, what happened to this gaffer falling down?
What?
Why did that do that? Because that's really, really sticky stuff.
Oh yeah, we had some of your mate come around and got that sink yesterday.
Is that,
Could we,
is that funky?
It's fucking horrible.
Why don't you use deodorant?
I don't know, I think we should,
Because I don't use it at work because it's not necessary.
It's alright if you want to stink on your own, but when you got to work with Jono, both of you are up there with your arms like that.
Well, I just said I want to wash them. What I want to do is I wash them and I get some soap in there.
It's like your aluminium base.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
So, where does the
Not like that pipe.
where does that ducting come down?
The joys. Because this is my idea. Where the kitchen is, it's going to be one side of a joist to the other, yeah? And that's where Stevie Wonder will really come into his own, because if he's worked it out.
yes, collateral damage now.
On a wall with other insulation behind it, we would have a more of an airflow around it. And on felt
Because silly condensation?
yeah, it's for a condensation thing. The other thing we'd like is if just a piece of felt was cut behind it.
A vapour barrier.
Not as a vapour barrier, all it will do is, because if you have a tight fit on with the batten on the wall,
Yeah,
then our product over it,
yeah,
really the air is circulating within that area.
yeah.
Whereas if you have a felt batten behind each fixing,
Yeah.
just a felt packer effectively, it will allow some through airflow behind it. If you put the first batten horizontally, so you do that at 500 centres, then our product pulled taut, stapled at 300mm centres,
Yeah.
and then where the next one goes over, we'll lap that 50 to 100mm, and that final one will be on the joint, and then staple at 50mm along the edge and foil tape.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, if it's brought up to here, and then it needs to be folded back on itself.
Yeah.
One of the things you don't want is exposed edges on the cold side. Because how it works, you've got 6 internal layers there, and the outer layer will reflect 95% of the heat back.
Yeah.
Then that 5% that goes through hits the first inner foil,
Yeah.
which reflects 97% back, and effectively that sort of bounces backwards and forwards, losing 3% through into the next one.
Yeah, I know.
Now obviously if that's on the cold side and there's any cold air getting in there, that will chill that heat that's in there.
Oh, okay.
So you would come up here, fold it on itself, and then just a batten
Okay.
to hold it in.
Yeah, fine.
I mean, no, you're not
that's
got
fine,
anything
we
to
can do that.
staple, so
Well, we staple, yeah, because we got.
what is this
Yeah, look, we've got
thingy
a board
behind
here.
it? You've got a board behind it, haven't you?
Our rafters are there. Fold back, staple,
Yeah,
tape or not?
tape.
Tape along that edge.
Yeah, tape on this just to finish off the edge there.
Yeah, but is it the tape got to go on that across there, straddle there?
In this situation, that would be a good idea.
That's the
Yeah, to straddle it that way, and then you've got that still.
Okay.
But the batten against it, if you like, will be the thing that.
Yeah, that we screw those up tight. That's all right. Well,
Yeah.
because that's our first batten then. Because what we're doing is our counter battening anyway to pick up the
Yeah.
plasterboards going that way.
All these ends here into the back, folded on itself like that,
Yeah.
and a batten.
Okay.
So that way you've got the perimeter edges sealed,
Yeah.
and basically the same thing on the floor. This will come down and fold it back on itself, and a batten.
Yeah.
So a 9-inch wall, 25mm batten, this and a plasterboard.
No, and another 25mm batten.
We need to document this, Dylan. Because honestly, when it's all covered up, you'll be going, where the f is that cable? There. See what I'm saying? Lay on there. 290, yeah? 290 from there. Yeah.
2.20 is actually what we went for, 212.
Language, Timothy.